Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can start a new document or file in Adobe Illustrator in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So launch the Illustrator app on your device, be it on desktop, computer or laptop. And let's assume, for instance, you're already on a canvas here working on a document. Now, if you'd like to start a new file, there are two ways. You either click into File in the top left, select New here, or use the shortcut Ctrl-N. And after that, you'll be redirected to that preset up here. So here you may give your new file a name, adjust the width and height, the orientation, and so on and so forth, and create a new one, or use one of these presets here for mobile, web, social media, and so on and so forth. So that's one option. Let me just close that window, or you navigate back to your home screen by clicking into this button in the top left. And then you will be redirected to this section. So here, click into New File in the top left. And then you will be redirected to the same preset menu I just showed you to create your new canvas or document. So let me go, for instance, with, I don't know, YouTube thumbnail with 1280 by 720px. Click into Create here. Select the color mode if you like, the raster effect, and so on and so forth. And then you will be redirected to that new blank canvas here. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.